everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own owl. This is such a cool way to decorate your bags, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. For my owl, I'm using purple, but you can use any color. I'm first starting off with a light purple. I'm using a quilling tool. This is something that you must have. Once you're done quilling, take glue or a prit to stick it together. Next, take a strip of light purple and wrap it around your coil. We are making the eyes. When you come to the end, stick it together. Now we are using half a strip of white and we are going to wrap it again around the coil. Once you're done, repeat the same steps for the other eye. Now we are moving on to the feathers. I'm using light purple to make teardrops. Please quill very loosely. Once you're done, gently let go and pinch the end so that it looks like a tear shape. Then stick it together. This is how it will look. Repeat the same steps for the other one. Now we are taking half a strip of white and we are going to wrap it around the tear shape. Do this for both of them. Once you're done, this is how it will look. Now we are moving on to the smallest feather. You will need half of purple to make this. You will need 2 in total. Next, take half a strip of purple to make the medium-sized feathers. Repeat the same steps for the other one. This is how all your feathers should look. Now we are moving on to the tail. You will need a quarter of a dark purple to make this tear shape. You will need 4 in total. Next, take half a strip of purple to make this feathers. You will need 2 of them. If you notice, we are mainly making tear shapes, so once you get the hang of it, you pretty much know everything. Now we are taking the darkest purple and making a tear shape. Repeat the same steps that you have been doing. Once you're done, take half a strip of white paper and wrap it around. Now we are making the beak and feet. You will need a quarter of the darkest purple and you will need to make 3 of these. Now it is time to put everything together. For the body of the owl, you will need to make different sizes of tear shapes. Once you have a lot, you can put them together, and this is how it would look. Use a toothpick to take out your tear shapes in the middle so that you can stick them. Then take a strip of white paper to wrap around the body. Once you're done sticking it, fill in the spaces and pinch the end. Then take the eyes of the owl and stick them together. Once you're done, take half a strip of dark purple and wrap it around the eyes to shape the ears. Stick the end and start shaping up. When you have your shape, stick the end to the eyes. Then stick the head to the body. Now we are sticking the beak. Once you're done, take all the feathers and put the biggest, then the smallest, and then the medium one. Once you have that in position, you can start sticking them together. And this is how it will look. It's coming out so cool. I really like it. Now we are making the tail. Once you have everything put together, start sticking it. that is how you make your very own quilled owl. I hope you liked it and you had lots of fun. See you for the next one.